This is Xiaomi Band 6. Inside the box are Xiaomi Band 6, charging cable, and user manual. This is Xiaomi Band 6.
Before anything else, feel free to like or share this video, and please don't forget to subscribe.
Xiaomi Band 6 is light with body weight of only 12.8 grams. It is as light as one AAA battery, as light as half of AA battery, or as light as 1/5 of C battery. With display dimension of 26.8 by 1.8 by 1.2 cm, it has a classic large oval touchscreen display with its rounded edges, making it more comfy to wear. Display dimension of 4.5 by 1.6 by 1.2 cm. Display length is a bit taller than one AAA battery. Display width is a bit narrower than two AAA battery. And display thickness is a bit wider than one AAA battery. And display is made of tempered glass with anti-fingerprint coating. Xiaomi Band 6 comes in standard black color. The strap is interchangeable, which can be purchased separately, and strap is made of TPU or thermoplastic polyurethane. It is a material between rubber and plastic. And it's easy to wear. With its pin type closure, just snap in and snap out. With adjustable wearable length, minimum of 13 centimeters and maximum of 21 centimeters. Surely it will fit more sizes, big or small. And it is dust-proof and water-resistant up to 50 meters. And Xiaomi Band 6 uses lithium-ion polymer battery with battery capacity of 125 mAh, giving extra long battery life up to 14 days in normal mode, or 20 days in power saving. It is rechargeable using a magnetic charging cable provided. Just snap in and snap out. And it takes 2 hours to charge up. Xiaomi Band has improved, now on full screen, which is 50% larger than Xiaomi Band 5. With 1.56 inches AMOLED touchscreen display. AMOLED stands for Active Matrix Organic Light Emitting Diode. It is different from LCDs, thinner and lighter than LEDs, and consumes less power and gives wide range of color with awesome clarity. Display resolution is 156 by 486. Display color depth is 326 ppi, and display brightness adjustable up to 450 nits. It is wireless with connectivity using a Bluetooth version 5.0. It has high precision but low power consuming 6-axis sensor, 3-axis accelerator, and 3-axis gyroscope, which can detect orientation, movement, and acceleration, plus a PPG heart rate sensor. It has a 2 MB RAM and 32 MB ROM, and it is compatible with Android 5.0, iOS 10 and above to sync using a MyFit app, which you can download from Apple App Store for iOS device or Google Play Store for Android devices. And this is how to set up the Xiaomi Band 6. This is how to set up the Xiaomi Band 6. Step 1, download MyFit app and create your account. Step 2, on the lower right, press Profile. Step 3, press Add Device and choose Band. And Step 4, wait for the pairing and keep the band and device closer. Next part is for those who has multiple bands connected with the device. Step 5, press Activate. So that's how to set up the Xiaomi Band 6. Now let's see how it works. So when you tap or swipe up your Xiaomi Band 6, you will first find the watch display. Watch display comes in 3 standard display themes, but you can also have it personalized via MyFit app. You can choose from over 60 watch face themes, including choose your own background. But let's talk about the standard theme. Because it is full screen, more contents can be displayed. On the watch display, you will find the time, hour on top, minutes at the bottom. And then above the time, you will find the date, the day of the week, if it's AM or PM. And then on the center top and center bottom, you can choose between battery, heart rate, steps, humidity, UV intensity, air quality, weather, or sunrise and sunset. And then on the four corners, you can choose between steps, heart rate, calories, pi, or battery. Next up is swipe left, right shortcuts. This is to be set on the MyFit app. You can choose items to easily access without browsing everything. And you can choose between weather, music, notification, status, pi, heart rate, blood oxygen, stress, breathing, cycles, event reminders, workout, DND or do not disturb, alarm, take a photo, stopwatch, timer, find phone, Alipay, or world clock. Next up is features. Xiaomi Band 6 is loaded with features to take advantage of, so let's go through with it very quickly. Number one is status. It's all about the steps. Here you will find the steps for the day and 7-day steps. Next up is PI or Personal Activity Intelligence. It's a personal physiological indicator that will help understand one's physical condition. Here you will find PI for the day and the 7-day PI. Next up is heart rate. Xiaomi Band 6 can do 24-hour heart rate monitoring. Here you will find the heart rate reports if you are relaxed, light, intensive, aerobic, and aerobic VO2 max. You can also do an on-the-spot heart rate check. Next up is SpO2 or blood oxygen saturation. It will show the percentage of oxygen in the blood. This is an important physiological parameter of the respiration cycle of the body. Next up is notification. These are alerts to be set on the MyFit app. You can choose between incoming call, app notification including MyFit app, WhatsApp, FB Messenger, Viber, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, calendar, Gmail, and others. Also idle alerts, incoming SMS, incoming email, and goal notification. Next up is workout. From Xiaomi Band 5's 11 workout mode, Xiaomi Band 6 has 30. That's additional 19 workouts. Each workout can track down time, distance, speed, calories, etc. And you can also set heart rate alerts, pace, distance alerts. These are reminders to remind you if you are already near your range or limit. And here are the 30 workout modes of the Xiaomi Band 6. Next is workout history. Here you will find the past workouts you did and its track record. It's a convenient way to look back on your progress. Next up is stress. With 24-hour stress monitoring, here you will find the stress reports if you are relaxed, mild, moderate, or high. And you can also do an on-the-spot stress check. Next is breathing. This is guided 1-minute breathing exercise. All you have to do is just inhale and exhale as instructed by the animation. After that, you will find the number of breath and heart rate change. Next up is cycles or women's health tracking. This is to be set on the MyFit app. Here you will find the menstruation cycle, fertile period, and ovulation day. Next is events or event reminder alerts. This is to be set on the MyFit app. Next is alarm. You can set alarm for a certain day or repeated days. Next is weather. This is for comprehensive weather report. It will show you the day's temperature, humidity percentage, air quality level, and UV intensity, plus weather forecast for the next 3 days. Next up is Alipay. Alipay is another mode of online payment like GCash or PayMaya for the Philippines. But to be honest, I'm not familiar with Alipay since it is not yet widely used here in the Philippines. But it says on the band that you can pay Alipay by showing the payment code on the band. Next up is music. You can access your music on the phone through your band. Next is world clock. This is to be set on the MyFit app. You can choose the cities to show the world clock. Next is more. More, you can find here camera shutter, stopwatch, timer, find device, and a lot more. And last but not the least, settings. Here you will find DND or do not disturb, brightness, screen options like lock screen, auto screen off, and a lot more. So that's about it, the Xiaomi Band 6. If you have any questions, suggestion, collab, or product feature, please comment down below, or you can send me a private message through my Facebook or Instagram. Please feel free to like and share this video, and most importantly, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell button to get notified for new uploads. So that's about it. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye-bye.